Dalawa, itong dalawa.
Agaw!
Itong dalawa, yan mo. Oh.
Robert! Robert! Sabi mo sa teammates. Uy! Sorry, good work.
Good foul, right?
Sino yun?
Godel. Foul number 12.
Ano sasabihin mo?
Ano sa?
Meron akong instruction sa referee na call it close. So, easy lang,
1 point.
baka matechnical, ha? Yun lang.
1 point.
Ingat lang.
Number 13.
Ang hot temper lang lang sa akin, si Alvin.
1 point lang, ha?
Siya unang foul, siya unang point.
Oh, the trouble! The trouble.
You can see it.
Number 30. 31.
Si Mike yun, ha?
Foul. Mike. Wow. Sakit ako nung huli.
31? 31 sa Mike, ano? Mukhang naman ito, ha?
Buti na lang sila pumasok sa championship. Kung kami pumasok yan, walang ano, hindi match-up.
Walang kwenta, ano?
Ay!
3-2.
Oh! Ang sundot, eh. Hindi nakikita ng referee yun.
Ayan, eh. Okay lang yun, parehas naman, eh. Parehas naman din nakikita both ways, eh. Libre, oh. Uy, shit! Nakalusot.
Sayang, huwag yan ni Michael.
Hey! Ano bang number niya, ano? 22? Si Yao?
Si Yao, 22.
Yeah. Wow! Masyadong technical yung pasa niya.
Ay!
Sabi mo nga, easy lang sila.
Easy. Easy.
What?
Easy.
Wala yun, ah.
Wala nga. Hindi nga.
Hindi nakita, eh.
Hello!
Di yata talaga dumating si ano para hindi maglaro si Ryan.
Fight, man. Fight.
Pinagalitan. Nagalit.
Who's foul, ref?
Si Julius.
Number 13.
No, number 10.
Ah, number 10. 3.
Lakas na!
Dapat straight up na lang talaga si Mike. Huwag niya na huwag niya nang pasabitin. Legal screen. 22. Tama ba yung
Isa
mga
pa lang ang foul ng Empraning ha. Isa pa lang foul ng Empraning.
Dalawa.
Sino isa? Ayun nga pala, dalawa pala. Oh, dalawa. Hindi ko lang na-markan. Hindi ko na-markan, sorry.
3.
Ay! Ay, i-dribble yung ball. Oh! Puta, walang kalakas din ha. Walang kumpare. Saan ka pa Nakali.
Kumpare yan, kumpare.
Bakit? Ano nangyari? Uy, running clock.
Stop the clock nga, sabi.
Bakit?
Sabi ng referee.
Ano pa? Oo, vitamins niyan, sigarilyo eh.
Sumasakit na paa niya.
Lakasan nyo!
Hingal ka ba yun?
Sinasalvi.
Ito si Rai. Go!
Come on! Oh, foul! Sabi?
Ewan ko din. Oh! Woo! Saan kinuha yun? Ano? Dito pala yun.
Lakasan mo, Julian.
Oy! Huwag ka masyadong bias.
3. Nice. 3 points.
Sabi ko nga, lakasan mo. Hindi mo abot eh.
Pag may ano, dead ball, sub.
Go, 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 go!
Pagod na salvi.
Yeah.
Ganyan ang point guard. Antayin mo yung mga players mo. You know? Hindi yung... Three points. Sub. All sub.
Don't do any illegal substitution, or else you'll get penalized.
Substitution.
Shooting ready.
Clear all the benches.
Running shot?
Yeah, who's
Running shot? Running shot ba?
Huh?
No,
No,
running
no, no,
time.
no.
Nistop ko, tinulong na.
Hindi, okay lang kasi time out eh.
Time out.
Time out.
Stop ko nga.
Oo nga.
Basta, na-stop ko kanina, ano, mandar.
How many time out?
Three. The rest. Three.
No,
The whole game. All the players on the bench should come to the floor, ha? All players on the bench should play.
Alvin, pasok ka. Mate-technical kayo.
I'm watching you.
Wala siyang sub.
You guys have... Hey, all sub.
All players on the bench should sub now, or else you're gonna get technical.
For how long?
Ha?
Another 6 minutes.
6, yeah, 6.
Oh, si ano, hindi pumasok. Kasi technical yan.
Si Lee papasok. Lee pumasok.
Lee, you have to come in. Lee, you have to come in. Lee, you have to come in.
Wala na kami. Kayo marami pa eh.
Lee, you have to come in. Lee, you have to come in, Lee. Lee.
Siyam lang sila. 9 players, only 9 players.
Yeah.
That's not our fault.
Yeah.
No, hindi.
Not our fault.
I know.
It's not our fault.
Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Let me talk first. Guys, let me talk first, okay? Okay?
Hindi nila alam yung rules.
The rules is in the website. You better read the website, guys. Okay? The rule is whoever sitting on the bench should go and that's it. Come on.
When it's 9 players, there will be 1 player inside.
Go. But you can use a substitution for him in the early 3 minutes for King James.
Kayo, pag wala kang hindi ka papasok.
O, the technical gali.
Dapat 5 kayo.
Aba, you're wasting time. Come on. Otep, kaya mo na yun. Dapat